Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer baby Doge coin from Trust Wallet to your Binance. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up your Trust Wallet and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the send option in the left hand side of the screen. Open the Binance application on your mobile device and also make sure that you are logged in with your specific account. Now, now tap on this assets or wallet option in the bottom right corner. Now here simply tap on this deposit option. Now in the search bar just simply search for this baby Doge, tap on it and choose the appropriate network and copy the deposit address here. Then enter the amount you wish to transfer in the next box and tap on next button to complete the transfer. As I have not verified my account yet, I am not being able to copy the deposit, so you have to make sure that you verify your account and then copy the address. Now return to the wallet address. Now return to the Trust Wallet application and paste the copied address. Then enter the amount you wish to transfer in the next box. Finally tap on next button to complete the transfer. By following these simple steps, you will be able to transfer baby Dogecoin from your Trust Wallet to Binance. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.